How to edit menu in WordPress. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to edit menu in WordPress. For this, first of all, you need to bring your cursor here to this sidebar where it is written appearance, and then click on menus. Okay, so here are all of the menus. As you can see, I have 5 menus: course menu, footer menu, header menu, and primary menu, which includes primary, footer, and secondary. I can also create a new menu from here. Let's say I want to edit the footer menu. I'll select it and then click on select. So here is my footer menu. From here I can edit it. I can add any of them in my footer menu. I can also add posts in my footer menu. I can add landing pages, custom links, and also categories. I can also make categories and subcategories. Let's say my category is about us, and all of these three are my subcategories. So I'll just pick it and I'll bring it here, and then I'll drop it. So now it is subcategory, and this is my main category. I'll drag and drop again, and now all of these are the subcategories of about us. If you want to remove them, you can simply again drag and drop it there. If you want to make them category again, you can simply again drag and drop them here. This is how you can edit menus in WordPress. You can also auto add pages, and you can select display location from here, like where do you want to show the menu. You can also delete your menu from here. Once you are done, you need to click on save menu, and the changes will be saved. This is how you can edit menu in WordPress. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.